How do I apply AI to my business? This is a question more and more companies are asking as artificial intelligence reshapes industries worldwide.
While we can't predict the future, we have been bringing AI demos to production in a number of industries.
Take Zakool, a leading UAE travel agency, faced high operational costs and limited call center hours. By implementing a conversational multilingual assistant powered by OpenAI and Deepgram, they now offer 24/7 personalized service.
This modernized approach has enhanced customer satisfaction and reduced call center costs by up to 80%.
Now, consider BESTMED, a coalition of top healthcare providers and payers. They needed to leverage their vast amounts of health data to improve diabetes treatment. We introduced one of the first emulations of a clinical trial for second-line therapies in type 2 diabetes, utilizing EHR and claims data. This approach saved an estimated $58 million in clinical trial costs alone.
So as we are evaluating the potential of AI for businesses, here's how we are approaching it.
What are the biggest problems your business faces today? How can we enhance user satisfaction? What data do you currently have?
Where do you spend the most time and resources? Which decisions need significant data analysis? How can AI help you leverage your strengths to stay ahead in a rapidly evolving landscape?
We do traditional AI.
We do Gen AI.
We do fractional teams.
We do more time in nature.
We do the future.
G19 Studio.